In this video, we will be learning intermediate value theorem, which is an important theorem of calculus. Basically, intermediate value theorem satisfies that there must be a c value in between a and b that goes to y value in between fa and fb, like you see on your screens. In order for intermediate value theorem to be applied, the function must be continuous. And since the function is continuous, we are 100% sure that there must be a c value that goes to a y value in between fa and fb. And let's practice this theorem. So we have an example over here. Fx is a continuous function on the interval 0 to 6. Show that there is a value c on the interval such that fc equals to 0. So since the question says that the function is continuous, we don't need to check the three conditions. So what we are going to do on this type of questions is that we are going to replace x with the boundaries. So first of all, I'm going to check f6. And we are going to check f0. And to solve the question, we can make this statement. So as you can see, since the function is continuous, we can say that there is a value c where fc equals to 0. So in AP exam, we should write it as a formal sentence. What we are going to write is this. So this is a typical kind of sentence. You have to write these sentences in the end, and don't forget to write the rule that you are using. So let's look at this question. The correct answer is already chosen, but we will check the other choices. The question says that which of the following is guaranteed by the intermediate value theorem. So first choice says that GC is equals to the -2 for at least one c between 0 and 6. And as you can see, our function is defined between -3 to 3, so 0 and 6 are not in between our intervals, so we skip that out. Let's check the correct answer. GC is 5 for at least one c between -3 and 3. As you can see, the interval is true, -3 to 3, and the y equals 5 is in between y equals 0 and y equals 6, as you can see on the instructions. Let's check the third choice. GC is -2 for at least one c between -3 and 3. The interval is correct. However, we don't know if the function is increasing or decreasing on the -3 to 3. So we are not sure if -2 is in between 0 and 6. So we can't say anything. Let's check this last choice. GC is 5 for at least one c between 0 and 6. As you can see, like that in the first answer, the interval is wrong, so we should cross that out. So the correct answer is B. Like the previous question, this question is also a question from Khan Academy. So let's look at the introduction. It asks us which intervals must contain a solution to gx equals 3. As you can see from the tables, y equals 3 in between x equals -1 and x equals 2, because x equals -1 goes to 0 while x equals 2 goes to 4. So y equals 3 is in between g -1 and g2. So that's why the correct answer is A. So this was the end of my video series. I hope you liked my videos and learned something. Thank you for watching. See you.